It's been said that we're like cacti in a rainforest. Our brains are so overstimulated. A cacti, which just soaks up a little bit of water in an arid place, and you put it in a rainforest, and there's just too much. And with social media and so many different kind of stimuli, we're overstimulated. So I know there's an abundance of beauty here, but it seems like a very serene place to maybe decompress and let go of some of that stuff that just bombards us, and we just soak in so much of it. So we're gonna do some tapping here about that, taking full responsibility for your own well-being. Even though I'm often overstimulated, I choose to love and accept myself. Even though I'm often oversaturated, I choose to love and honor myself. Even though I often feel overstimulated, maybe so much so that I don't even notice that I feel overstimulated. Even though I'm often oversaturated, I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. And maybe even the people contributing to all of that, because I choose to feel that free. All this overstimulation, all this oversaturation, sometimes there's just too much. And I might tell myself that as far as media consumption, I can stop anytime I want. But I've been programmed. I've been programmed not to miss anything. And sometimes I just need it as a distraction. Being present feels really hard sometimes. And so I look for other things to take my mind away. But there's so much. And I can't even always control what I see. And too often that stuff just sits with me. I soak it in, and then it gets stuck in there. So now I'm releasing it. All that overabundance that I've soaked in, all that excess stimulation, I'm releasing whatever I can. Especially the uncomfortable bits. I'm releasing what isn't peace. I'm releasing what isn't joy. I'm releasing what isn't gratitude. I'm releasing what isn't love. Letting this stuff go. Cleaning house. Removing the excess. And a lot more of it than I know is excess. So I'm setting myself free from that. Allowing myself to feel much more peace in body, mind, and spirit. Take a deep breath. Just recognizing that in our world, we're bombarded with so much stuff, so allowing ourselves to take those moments to get rid of what doesn't belong, what doesn't serve us. And when there's other stuff that gets in the way, I'm here for you.